AI isn't just changing jobs, it's changing how I invest my money.
For 30 years, I followed one simple strategy.
I didn't pick stocks, I just invested in everything.
But here's what most people don't realize. Most of these companies are betting big on AI.
When too much money chases one idea, risk increases. What if the future isn't just one country?
Power shifts. It always has.
So I started investing globally.
Most people follow the crowd, but wealth comes from being early.
Small companies using AI smartly. When tech becomes cheap, winners change.
Big changes bring instability.
So I added protection. Most people invest everything and get stuck. Cash gives you freedom. When markets crash, I'm ready. I'm not predicting, I'm preparing.
Subscribe if you want to stay ahead.